All right, there's something I forgot. There's something I forgot. I think I said at the beginning that I would show you how to eliminate the other effect of having a white layer in the background even after exporting. So let me delete this. Now, when you create a clip mask, it may show some signs, some white part of like an artboard again this side at the end of exporting. But don't worry, you can correct that. So if you're done designing, just draw a rectangle over the artboard. We already talked about how to do clip masking, so this should not be new or hard to you. So after doing that, then you select everything. I'm going to just drag from here and drag it this side, okay? Then go to make clip mask. So you can see now after exporting, now I want to go ahead and export. Now when you save as a PDF, when you go to save as, then you go to PDF, the white thing will not show. So when you're exporting, when you're saving for printing, make sure you save as PDF so that you avoid that hassle. But if we try to export, it may or it may not show. I pray it shows so that I can show you how to correct that. So let me just save it on the desktop as poster. Okay, all right. I showed you how to do all this, so we are just going to hit OK. Now let's try to open it up and let's see what do we have here. Now this is it. You can see this is our poster, but the white part is remaining. Now there are three ways of eliminating this. I'm going to just show you one way. The other ways we shall tackle it next time. Now the simplest way is to just crop it off, okay? Crop it off. That's the simplest way. The other two ways I will introduce to you next time, and we crop it from Photoshop. So we just click and say open with Photoshops. Very interesting there, okay? Very simple to do. The other ones, they're a little bit complicated. That's why I'm telling you, I'm requesting that I do it next time, okay? So very simple. I will just give Photoshop some time to open up. And now if your computer is weak like mine, the one I use for recording classes is not like high-end, but it may be a little slow. But if it is a fast computer, let me say an i7, now you realize this white background is even showing. So if you go and print it, it will still show. What is that lady doing there? So this white thing, we just go to crop tool. The crop tool in Photoshop is this one here. So we crop it, then we just drag and we remove that part, okay? Very simple. This is the simplest way. And let's say we are done. Okay. So, okay, if we want to see properly, we can Control plus to zoom it. Then we just go and right click and say crop, okay? We right click on it, then we click on crop. Then we go back to the selection tool or move tool, then we are done. So we can go ahead and click on file, then save as. Once you click on save as, it will bring you the previous settings. Then you just click on save, then replace the other one, and you're done. So more of this we shall be learning it in our next class on Wednesday, that is raster graphics. But for today, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to end there. So if you try to check on this, it does not have now the white borders. So that's one way of eliminating that, okay? Now no, let me not add so many things, but let us stop there. Thank you so much. Have a blessed evening. See you again on Wednesday.